MySQL is one of the best databases around the world, especially for the OLTP environment. So let's see how we can create the master and one slave installation in the MySQL database.
In this session, I will show you how to create a virtual machine in VMware. In this virtual machine, I will install Oracle Linux operating system. Now let's create a new virtual machine. Click on it, just select typical recommended, next. Here we have to choose the our ISO image of operating system. So in this virtual machine, I will install Oracle Linux. Just select Oracle Linux. This is my ISO file. Then open and then click next. Here we have to enter the name of our virtual machine. Now in this virtual machine, I will install MySQL database. So I enter the MySQL 1. This is my virtual machine name. Now select the file where I want to save the virtual machine. Files, X, folder, VMs, and I choose create a new folder, MySQL. Also create a new folder in MySQL node 1. So I am creating the MySQL cluster. So first I will install the Oracle Linux on it. Press node 1, click OK, and my virtual machine name is MySQL1, and this location, this virtual machine file will be saved. Just click next, and maximum size of this machine I choose 20 GB is more enough. Just click next and then finish. Click and then enter. After 45 60 seconds, it will automatically install. Just select Oracle Linux 8 and enter. Now setup installation has been started. My virtual machine has been created. Now I'm installing the Oracle Linux 8 on this virtual machine. And you can, if you want to install the VMware, you can download VMware any version on your PC and install the VMware version on your computer. And after the installation of the VMware workstation on your computer, then you can create the virtual machine by the using these step. Now it currently is booting from my ISO file, and this ISO file I have downloaded from the internet. So currently is starting. This VMware version I'm using, you can download this VMware version from the internet.
Now from this screen, we have to select the language for our operating system. Just select your language which you want to select and then click continue. So I choose English, and now here we have to enter the root password first. Click this and enter the password for the root account. Then done. Now second we have to choose the installation directory. Okay. So here I choose the automatic configuration. Choose automatic configuration and done. Now the prerequisites has been completed. Now just click on begin installation. Now Linux installation has been started. Now Linux has been successfully installed. Just reboot system. Now wait for the reboot the system. Now my new Oracle Linux operating system is rebooting. It's not necessary you can only install the Oracle Linux. You can also install the Red Hat Linux. If you have ISO file for the Red Hat Linux, you can install. So I have the Oracle Linux 8, so that's why I install Oracle Linux 8. It's not necessary to install Oracle Linux 8, so you can also install the Red Hat Linux as well. Now this is asking for the license agreement. Just click this and then accept and then done and then finish configuration. Now it's preparing the startup of Linux. Now it's the welcome screen. Just click next, next, and the name. Let's suppose I want to give MySQL DB. Next, and the password for this. Click next and start using Oracle Linux Server. Now, Oracle Linux has been successfully be installed in my VMware virtual machine. Now, after some now it has been successfully installed. It will show you the getting started screen. Just cancel it and then activity, and you can select the terminal window and tf-h. So it will show the all file system within this operating system. Just click this window and log out from this user. Now not listed. I want to log in from the root user because log in with the root user because I will install MySQL by the root user. So MySQL has been my so now Oracle Linux has been successfully installed and I have successfully logged in with the root user. Select language, this, and then start using Linux server. Just cross it, activity, terminal window, and df-h, which will show the all file system of this operating system. So, so now next step, I have to create another machine for the MySQL node 2